In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access and download an invoice from your Adobe account. Whether for reimbursement or your own records, having a copy of your billing information can be really useful. So, let's get started by walking you through the process step by step. To begin with, open your web browser and go to the website https://account.adobe.com, where you'll need to sign in using your Adobe ID. This is the email address and password you've associated with your Adobe account. Logging in ensures that you have access to the personalized dashboard where all your account details are available at a glance. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the section labeled Plans and Payment. Depending on system updates, this might also be titled Plans and Products within your account menu. It's here you'll find all the details about your current subscriptions and payments. Next, locate the subscription for which you'd like the invoice by clicking on Manage Plan found next to your active subscription. Adobe provides you with this option to easily modify or review settings related to each of your ongoing plans. As we navigate through, look for an area typically called Billing History. Sometimes it might also appear as Payment History or Orders and Invoices. This is your go-to section for finding all past transactions listed in chronological order. Once here, you should see a list of all your recent invoices. Scroll through until you find the specific invoice you need. Each invoice should have clearly marked options to either view, download, or print. If you are looking to save a copy, simply click Download to obtain a PDF version directly to your computer, which ensures you have it on hand whenever necessary. If you prefer to print it, selecting Print will help you get a hard copy immediately. Another handy feature that many people might not be aware of is the emailing option available on many accounts. This optional feature allows you to directly send the PDF invoice to your email or even to a colleague if needed. This can be incredibly useful when you're managing expenses with a team or if someone else handles the accounting. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to retrieve your billing information from Adobe. With these steps, you'll always have easy access to your invoices whenever you need them. If you have any other questions with your Adobe account, don't hesitate to check out Adobe's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.